I think people need good news stories these days, and Landcare delivers those every day. Landcare has a lot of trust. That's why we can bring people together. In the Hunter, we've got about 4,000 volunteers every week who go out on a site.
I think Landcare is really important because it's a grassroots organisation. So it starts with the group identifying a priority for the area.
Landcare supports that massive array of people as well through agriculture. Landcare plays a really important role in pulling all those people from different sectors together under a common goal. Between our staff, we've actually got the skills and the capacity to provide support across that whole region. We have a local youth support Landcare group, and her focus is to support youth that might need a bit of extra support in life and to get them out into the bush and use nature as a way to heal and also to upskill them.
I always look for Landcare muster because it's a gathering of all our clan, sharing new knowledge and also sharing issues, challenges we face, which is a very good space for us to grow together.
We have a really big focus on weeds, and that's across a whole array of areas. So we provide a lot of workshops and information on that.
We've collaborated with local land services. We delivered weed workshops where people could ID and treat weeds in riparian zones.
Across the Hunter Valley, you're actually starting to get some significant contributions to wide-scale weed management. Without those people on the ground driving this change, then we wouldn't get the outcomes.
We've got 35 hectares of Crown land. Over the last 30 years now, our Landcare group has been on this site, re-establishing the vegetation with Indigenous grasses and Indigenous plants. We've had a substantial increase in the bird life here. We also provide education to the community. It's important that we all work together to try and have an outcome, and that outcome is the betterment of our environment.
The Rainforest Revival project has been a huge project, and it's really exciting, especially with the potential of what it can actually create and restore what was once there and has since been lost. And the amount of research that's gone into it and the work that Landcare is putting into that is quite amazing.
You really have to be willing to bring people together to make it happen, or we won't ever see the benefit of all those diverse species that used to be here that we still have the potential to recreate. Landcare has a lot of value, not just in improving the environment, a lot of it is for human health as well. Yalara Place is a bushland reserve at the John Hunter Hospital, which allows visitors to access bushland and find some space to, recover.
This project here at John Hunter just is a shining example of the beauty of the partnerships that Landcare can deliver, because we're not only meeting the needs of Aboriginal people staying at the hospital, we're honouring the past work that was done here.
The John Hunter Health and Innovation Precinct is a really sort of once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for our hospital grounds. Climate resilience is a huge part of that redevelopment. We're really, really mindful of creating healthcare facilities that are resilient into the future. So that connection with Landcare again just bolsters the green space on our hospital grounds and makes sure that we're protected.
The great thing about Landcare is because they manage the site over a long period, it's only those groups that are willing to work for decades that can actually tip the balance back to a more stable and natural ecosystem.
I think Landcare has been a really great thing for people to be involved in. What's happened now is really amazing. All the different sorts of things we get involved in, the whole story combines to tell us how good Landcare is for the people.
We've been rocked by disaster after disaster in the Hunter and Mid-Coast. The problems that we're in are so complicated that it's going to take a mosaic of solutions, and Landcare is perfectly positioned to deliver those. I can't think of anywhere else I'd rather work. Landcare is delivering on the ground. It's giving people hope, and we can see the results of that all around us in the health of the habitats, the happiness of the volunteers,